Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how I define my coils. This is a wig, of course. So I'm going to show you how I revive the coils and make it look nice and coily again. So if you want to see how I do this, please keep watching. So firstly, I will use a bit of water, spray a bit of water on it. So basically section by section. Just use your hand to go through it, detangle it. But what I would advise you is to, if your wig is dirty, you have used it for some time now, just wash it with a good shampoo and condition it. The shampoo that I use is the Tresemme shampoo, and I use the conditioner. So I wash it with the shampoo and then condition it. Leave it for like 15 minutes and and wash it off. So if you could do that, that will actually help the coils. And please avoid brushing your hair when it is dry. Don't detangle it when it's dry, because you're just going to mess it all up a little bit. I will be using my Cantu coiling cream. I use this on my kids' hair, and I noticed like the way it makes their coils come out. So yeah, I use it on myself as well, on this hair. So it helps with coils. Look, can you see? One thing I would say is, when you have these wigs, you have to treat them as if they were your own hair. That's the only way you're going to get the best out of them. If not, it's just wasted your money. So just a little bit. I think I'm actually doing too much. Yeah, just go through them. Have you seen the coils are coming out? Curly hair is a lot of work, I'm not going to lie. Just going to spray a little bit of water at the back as well. I'm going to use my Denman brush to brush it out, because I want a little bit of volume to it. So it just depends on what you want. I want a little bit of volume. So start from the tip and then okay. So this is what I do. If I want a little bit of volume, I just brush it out. I went offline to do my edges and all of that. So this is the finished look. I didn't blow dry it or anything. I let it dry out. As you can see, it has a little bit of volume from brushing it out. This is actually a quick video, and I wanted to share my coily hair tips with you guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you'll be able to treat your coils better, achieve these defined coils. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.